In this video, I'm going to show you how to add boom and crash index on MT5. Now to do this, first you'll have to sign up for a broker which supports the boom and crash index. Now I'm using Deriv, of course you can use Deriv as well, but of course I do think there's other brokers as well which support it, okay? So to actually be able to figure that out, you can just Google it, but as I told you, I'm just going to show you how to do it using Deriv. So if you want to do it using Deriv, you can want to sign up for an account, so go to their official website and you'll have to sign up. It's quite an easy process, and then in here inside the Traders Hub, whenever you get your account set up, you can switch between demo and real. I'm just gonna go with demo right now, and then from here it says Deriv MT5. So you want to sign up for a MT5 account. You simply want to click this get button, which is going to be next to MT5 standard. It's going to look like this, and then you're going to have to type in your password and of course the one that you're going to be using in MT5, so you should remember it. Now when you do this, click on open over here. It's going to look like this, and now you'll get your broker, server, login ID, and the password which you set for yourself. So these things are very important. Make sure you basically keep them somewhere where you can find them. I'm going to move them to my second screen over here. And now inside MT5, go to File top left and click on Open an Account. In here, you want to search for Deriv and press find your company, and there's going to be a bunch of different ones. The one I'm using is deriv.com limited. Likely you are going to be using this one too. Of course, maybe it's going to be a different one, but again, as I showed you over here, all your data you need is going to be shown on here, okay? So just go ahead and select the one you need. I'm going to go with this one and click on next. Then you want to do connect with an existing trade account, and you want to type in your login. The login is going to be your login ID number, which you were able to see earlier as well. So it's this one over here. And now we're going to need the server as well. So over here, the server is going to be for me the Deriv demo, and the password is the one you have just set to create your trading account inside your Traders Hub. From here, click on finish. And there we go, I'm now signed in, and to now basically add the boom and crash index, you want to go to the symbol button top left, and from here you want to type in boom, and there we go, we have the boom 500 index over here. You may see others if you have another account or maybe like a real account. So click on it and click on show symbol, and then go ahead and look for crash as well. There we go, click on it and then a show symbol again. Whenever you do this, click OK, and now the boom and crash indexes are over here inside your market watch. So if you don't see the market watch, click on view and market watch, or press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Then you can right click either of these, click on chart window, and there we go, they're basically going to open up like inside a chart over here on your chart inside MT5. So that's how to add the boom and crash index. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.